Hi, I am Carla, and today I'm going to show you how to create calendars on TwiLead. This is a super easy feature, but it's also one of the most incredible because allows you to offer to your clients the possibility to book appointments, schedule visits, have one-on-one consultations, even you can host group meetings, courses, webinars, just using this feature. So first thing we are going to calendars, and you're going to find a general traditional calendar here that is set by default. Then you're going to calendar settings, and it's here where the magic happens. Here I have a lot of calendars, but you are going to find only one. So let's go to create the calendar, clicking in new calendar. So I'm going to take some minutes to explain each type of calendar. So you're going to be able to understand which one is best for your business. Anyway, feel free to explore each one if you want to, because you can create multiple calendars without any extra cost. So you are free to explore. The first one is personal booking. This is perfect if you are offering private consultation, one-on-one meetings with clients or with members of your team. If you have multiple members on your team, but you want that each one have its own calendar, this is going to be the best option. But if your team works using the same calendar, for example, you have a sales team that needs to have equal distribution of clients, well, round robin is the best. So I'm going to do the tutorial with this one, but before continuing, I want to explain the others. Anyway, you are going to find blogs and more videos that show you how to set up each one. So class booking is perfect if you are going to host virtual meetings with multiple participants. But be careful, one is the best option if you are going to be just one host. So if you are offering webinars, group training, online classes, this one is the best option for your business. And this is kind of the opposite. Collective meeting is super useful if you are multiple hosts, but just one participant, like panel interviews, committee reviews. So this is perfect for those cases. Here in Explore More Types, you are going to find two other calendars. They are very different to this, so that's why they are in another section, kind of. But event calendar is only if you want to host physical events. All the other ones are for online events, but this is if you want to do conferences, seminars, expositions, or whatever that is on person. And this one is designed to service-based businesses, for example, medical appointments, spa appointments, hotel appointments, like name service-based business, and you are going to be able to give your clients the opportunity to have their appointments on person. So as I said, we are going to be with personal booking. Anyway, if in the process you want something that is pretty specific to your business, remember that you always can ask a question and have 24/7 customer service available for you. Or you can choose to book an onboarding call with us. Now that we have clicked on personal booking, we are going to set up the calendar in a super easy way. So first and first, we are going to give a name to the calendar. So let's imagine that I am realtor agent. So I need to have meetings with my prospect, my leads, my clients. So I'm going to call solid real Here you are going to find for default your name, and there is no possible to add new members because this is a personal calendar. If you want to work with different users, you are going to need to choose the round robin calendar. Keep that in mind. So here you can add a description. Let's familiarize with my habits. Here you can customize the URL, but I'm going to choose the one that is already here. It's good. You can set up the meeting duration. Could be minutes, could be hours. Let's say 45 minutes. So here I am not able to change my availability because if you want to change, you have to do it on advanced settings. So first, we are going to confirm that everything here is okay, super easy, just like 2 minutes. And you are going to have a link that we are going to copy. Anyway, if you have a website and you want to add your calendar in your website, you can use this option that is the embed code. So you copy this, you paste it on your website, and it's done. So because we are not working with websites yet, we are going to choose just the first option. This link, copy it, and you can see what the clients are going to see. It's everything already here. So this is the client view. What your clients are going to see. But right now I want to show you how is the client process and how you're going to be able to see the meetings. So let's say right now I am a client and I want to book something at 5 p.m. for me. And the client is going to need to introduce the name, last name, email, phone number. And here you can add any extra information that you need to ask to the client. But right now we are using the default form. So it's going to be click here. Let's imagine that the client is, I want to buy a house. And a schedule meeting. This is the time according to the time zone shows by the client. Remember that because that's going to be important for the next step. So that's all. The client is gonna be able to add it to the calendar. Let's say the client already booked and you want to see your bookings. So you need to go back calendars because we were in calendar settings, remember? And here you are gonna see the calendar view. Here in calendars, click and you're going to choose the calendar that you created. And you are going to be able to see the date here. So I don't remember what day I chose. Was okay, 30 December. So here, 30. Right now, it's here. So I am in Honolulu. I chose 9 p.m. But now for you that you have another time zone, you are going to see in the calendar the right hour. So that's automatic. You don't need to be worried about time zones. Never again. So if you want to see in an appointment list, you're gonna be able also to do it here. You have all the data. And if you click on view details, you are gonna be able to see the description and any other information that you ask. And I want to show you to end video how to change it if you want to change it. You only need to do this. Click, drag. Let's say that you want at 9 a.m. January 2. And that's all. It's already done. Reschedule to January 2. And of course, the client is going to receive a notification. So you also can do it here in the 3 points, schedule, and then change the information. But as you can see, it's super easy. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize, how to change the color, add logos, and of course, change the availability. So now you are ready to create your own calendar, explore the options, and tomorrow, well, I'm going to show you how to customize it.